Hello teacher, I'm Diệp Nguyễn from class 10A9. I'll be reading the first paragraph of After the Flood. Let's get started. After the flood, reading about weather in books is one thing, but living through a natural disaster was another. Even though the flood was not too bad, I was not prepared for what it was really like. Thank you for listening. I look forward to hearing your comments on this reading.